Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. In front of me, you guys, I've got some leftover low carb biscuits, and this brought me back to a childhood memory, and that being my mom taking some biscuits and turning them into a dessert, specifically a strawberry shortcake. So you guys, that's exactly what I am going to do today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. And now that you are joining me, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below, and also remember to hit that like button, and also please do share. So again, you guys, I've got these biscuits. I'm not one to waste food. It brought me back to a childhood memory. It's going to be quick, it's going to be simple, and it's going to be oh so good. So you guys, come on in close and let's make a strawberry shortcake together. All right, everyone, so the first thing that I need to do is to prep my strawberries. So these are frozen, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some in a microwavable bowl. Or if you've got time on your side, you can take them out in advance and then put the sweetener in, set them aside so that the strawberries can release their juices, and then you'll be all set. But because I'm just now taking these out of the freezer, I'm going to put them in the microwave to speed things up a little bit. Okay, into this, I'm going to add some sweetener, as little as much as you like, and off to the microwave this goes. All right, everyone, these are out of the microwave, and the strawberries have started to release some of their juice. Looks amazing. So I'm going to set this aside just so it can cool a little bit, and then you guys, we're going to come back to assemble the strawberry shortcake. Okay, everyone, so before I assemble, let me just tell you about my ice cream. So typically you would just use a whipped cream, which I've got a low carb version here, but today I decided I'm going to take it up a notch and make it my own kind of special by using some low carb vanilla ice cream. You guys, all that is in here is some unsweetened almond milk, some heavy whipping cream, some sweetener, and some vanilla extract. And this reminds me of the commercial growing up as a child when you saw the commercial for a brand name ice cream. I don't know if I can say the name or not, but the company wanted to prove just how pure the ice cream was by having a little child read the ingredients off of their container versus the ingredients off of one of their competitors. And all that was in their ice cream was cream, milk, sugar, and vanilla, you guys. And that was just a testament as to just how pure the ice cream was. And the same thing here, you guys, because you made it homemade, you get to control the ingredients. Okay, so having said that, let's go ahead and assemble our shortcake. Okay, take 1/2 here and put a nice little scoop of this vanilla ice cream. On top, just like that. Okay. And next we are going to add some of these strawberries and let that syrup just drip over the top of this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Is this bringing back memories or what? Wow. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to put another, or I should say the top of this biscuit on top. Okay, and then at this point, we are going to top this with some of this Cool Whip. Oh, it's hot in here, you guys. So, along with some more of these delicious strawberries. I put a little bit on the plate because we can. And you guys, here we have it. A low carb strawberry shortcake that was inspired by childhood memories made with mom. Okay, everyone, it is really hot in here, so let's go ahead and dig in and give this a taste before we have a liquid mess. Lord, I thank you. Oh, wow. my gosh. You guys, this has taken me all the way back. Phenomenal. There is absolutely nothing more to say than thanks, Mom. This is phenomenal. You guys, you've got to give this a try. And when you do, please leave in the comments that you did and just how phenomenal this is. And if I forgot to tell you my low carb biscuit recipe, I'll leave that in the link above, you guys. But please do give it a try. And again, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you've not yet done so before. And remember, you guys, it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special by pulling on those childhood memories and then making it your own kind of special, you guys. So we'll meet again. Keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. Enjoy.